How to link embed a YouTube video into a Word document. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking to enhance your documents with multimedia, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily embed a YouTube video into a Word document. So let's get started. First, head over to the YouTube video you want to embed. Once you're there, look for the share button below the video. Click on share and then select embed. You will see a box with the embed code. Click copy to save it to your keyboard. Next, let's switch to your Word document. Open the document where you want to embed the video. Go to Insert tab at the top of the screen. Here, you will find the option for online video. Click on that. In the dialog box that appears, right-click the embedded code field and then select paste. This will insert the code you copied earlier. Now, click the arrow to finalize the embedding process. You can now rearrange the embedded player as needed and you're all set to play it right from your document. And that's it, you have successfully embedded a YouTube video into your Word document. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips. And I'll see you in the next video.